Come explore this just listed home on the Enumclaw Plateau, listed by fellow real broker Melly Massey. Let me know in the comments how much you think it's listed for. Nestled on just over 2.5 acres with stunning mountain and valley views, this gated and fully fenced property features a 28 by 36 detached shop and large covered RV parking in addition to this beautiful 3-bed, 2.5 bath home sitting at 3,250 square feet. Charming double doors greet you as you enter the main living space, which has been beautifully updated. You've got a gorgeous spiral staircase and floor-to-ceiling windows and a sliding door leading to the deck on the back side of the home, along with this perfect breakfast bar all designed so you can take in the views. The kitchen has been beautifully updated throughout with new cabinets, countertops, gourmet appliances, and upgraded fixtures. As we head back through the dining space and into the living room, you'll notice a floor-to-ceiling wood-burning fireplace and new flooring throughout. And then we'll head into what would be the primary bedroom, and as you'll see, it's not lacking for closet space at all. You've got a good-sized room with windows on both sides, and of course its own private access to the deck. Take in the view, not to mention a beautiful ensuite. It's got his and her sinks, a large shower, and a door back to the main living space. One more view of the living and dining room before we head up to the 3rd floor up this stunning focal point of spiral staircase. At the top, you've got a custom railing, beautifully designed so you can see the lower level, along with a great loft space with views to the front side of the home with a closet and desk space, so you can utilize this space for really whatever you need. On the other side of the staircase, you're going to find another full bathroom that has been completely updated with flooring, a double vanity, shower and tub, along with another large bedroom, dual closets, and a view to the front side of the home. From here, we'll head back down the spiral staircase all the way down to the daylight basement. And this space has been perfectly set up for entertaining. You've got a large living space with extra bench seating, a nice wood-burning fireplace, and check out this full bar that also has a sink. You are completely set up to entertain. Off the living space, you're going to find the 3rd and final bedroom. It's got beautiful pine detailing throughout, 2 large closet spaces, and of course its own private access to the patio outside so you can take in the views. Headed back through your entertaining space, super handy. You also have a full 3/4 bath down here and laundry that also has access directly to the outside patio. Headed out to the backyard, you're going to find a decent amount of covered patio space, along with this built-in grill, perfect for, again, entertaining, cookouts, you name it, along with this huge flat backyard. Now let's run out here real quick and take a look at this view. Even on a cloudy Western Washington day, the view of the valley is absolutely stunning. So tell me, could you see yourself living here? If you'd like to take a private tour of this home or have questions about any like it, feel free to reach out.